Final Web Design. This is Steve.
Harry, how can I help you?
Hello, is Eric available?
Yes, it's me.
Hey Eric, how are you doing? This is Steve Mingleco with Final Web Design. We received a request about a website that you're building.
Yeah, that's correct. I sent that yesterday.
Okay, great. If you have a minute, I just have a few questions to get you a proper proposal.
Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead.
Okay, so I see basically this is a new website. You don't currently have anything online.
No, actually, we have another one. We have a charter company in Key West for 17 years, and now it's really slow. And we try to expand our business, so we decided to open a concierge business. We're gonna start to book everyone else's trips, including ours, and other stuff like hotels package with like combo. We're gonna do like a dolphin watch with a room hotel for weekend and stuff like that. So, but it's more basically we're gonna sell items by items. There will be few combos, but this is the main idea behind that. Yeah.
Okay, so you're selling just trips or?
Yeah, we don't provide any service. We are a third party. We sell trips from someone else. Even from our existing company, it's going to be a separate identity. So we're going to sell trip to them and we're going to charge them a commission out of it. So basically and how it's work, are you familiar with Fair Harbor?
With Forever?
Fair Harbor.
No, I'm not.
No? Okay, so it was on my email, the details. Fair Harbor, it's a booking company for every charter company or golf cart rental and it's worldwide. It's not just here in Florida. It's everywhere. It's pretty big, and they give them good service. So basically, just give you an example. On our charter business, we are 100% on Fair Harbor. So everyone who give us a call to book a trip, we're gonna open the Fair Harbor, and then our schedule is over there. We're gonna find at 3:00 we have place for 3. Book over there. Enter credit card information, all in that site. Okay. And then it's going to book the trip by itself, and customer will receive a confirmation email, okay? And then trip is booked like that.
Okay.
If it's online, on my website, people go on my website, dolphinsafariCharter.com, they will click book. Automatically, they will link directly to the Fair Harbor site, to my Fair Harbor site, Dolphin Safari 1, okay? And then they can book my trip based on that, okay? So to give you an example, we have few people who sell our trip, like they are independent concierge, and we organize with Fair Harbor a link directly to their own website. So on their own website, Florida Keys activity.com, whatever it is, people will go online over there middle of the night. They want to book a dolphin watch trip. They will click book on their own site of the Key West whatever company, and then they will book and pay through the Fair Harbor, and this booking will go directly through my Fair Harbor. You know what I mean? Like we'll give them a link, and then automatically they will receive a commission for that.
Okay.
Yeah, so and they are, as I said, they are really big. A lot of people working over there. They have all the how do you call I'm not really familiar with those terms, but the link for you guys, to link this, the language of the web, they have everything, everyone which is on the market, they have it to link this their link to their website. So it's pretty easy for you guys to link that. I know for a fact.
Okay.
And so we're gonna mainly will be, I would say 90% of our trip will be from Fair Harbor, but there's also a few other exception, like fishermen and stuff like that, who don't want to pay that commission to the guests. They want to book directly, and they don't have any booking. They have their own thing, on their website or by calls, whatever. So because of that, we're gonna need also a payment method directly from our own. So from some tour, we're gonna have to charge directly the guests, and some will be booked through Fair Harbor.
Okay, so we can get that information from Fair Harbor and integrate it into the new website?
Yeah, absolutely. And I can even, if you, after this call, if you send me an email or a text, I will send you the link. It's the explanation how to link Fair Harbor to the website. They already have the media, I don't know how to call that, but the explanation on the website, how to link this to our website and stuff like that. But also, when we want a specific tour or change, we call them, and it's 24/7 service, and it's didn't never happen once that we didn't get the answer right away. Always someone to get the call right away. It's really amazing. Seriously, I never see something like that before.
Okay.
So they are really, really, really good service. So and also we're gonna have terminals in like tablet, which gonna be on a concierge desk. Okay, and when the concierge is out for lunch or not there for a day, we're just gonna leave the tablet on the desk of the concierge, and people can book directly like a website. Okay.
Okay.
Also, we're gonna have a few terminals like the McDonald's terminals. When you order your place your order at the McDonald's, we're gonna have a few of them like that in different city. Mostly will be Key West for now, and people can on the street they can walk, see that panel, start to look. Okay, let's book a parasol trip. And then poof and tap the card and get the tickets right away. So this is the main idea behind that.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, and also we're gonna have some package with some hotels, and of course the hotels when they will allow us to use that system in their place, of course they will make a small commission on every trip, but we're gonna offer their own service, like if they have massage or dining room. Service or whatever they want to do from the hotel, they can book through that application as well. So every hotel will need a different page. I mean, like maybe the booking will be the same, but one main page needs to be dedicated for example the Hilton. The other, and when we go at the other when we are the Hyatt, it will need to be the Hyatt hotel. You know what I mean? So we're gonna need like few different page for different hotels. But for now, okay, I don't want to go there for now because this project will be like we'll start pretty small, but more we're gonna add some stuff. So I want something which will have the ability to add a lot of stuff on it. So, if you ask me for how many page, what's my budget, I don't know right now. I want to start very small, but in the idea that this is where we are going, So, and after, okay, we'll call you one day if we have a contract together. All right, now we decide to do this with this hotel, so we need a new page linked to that. So basically, when people will be at the hotel, and the main page will be the picture of the Perry Hotel, and then you can book a trip from there. So like a kind of a concierge.
Okay, wow. I mean, yeah, this isn't just your standard like text and information type website. This has all kind of a lot going on, and it needs some type of payment gateway where they're gonna make the payments too.
Yeah, we're gonna need that as well. Mostly, as I say, 90% will be through the Fariber, but some service won't. You like exactly the hotel thing won't be there. They won't need to pay over there directly.
Okay.
So
Do you have
either
like
with the
any idea what you're expecting this to cost, or have you had other proposals, or?
I already got another proposal. Okay, it's a guy who has an office. Actually, I'm from Montreal originally. I live in Key West for several years,
Okay.
and the guy has an office in Montreal and in Miami. So I asked him a proposal. The price is okay. It's not. It's not for a question of the price necessarily. It's mainly for. I want someone who will bring something, you know, from their own their experience. Hey, we can do this. You know what I mean? Like the guy just gave me a quote based on everything which I told them, and no surprise, no ID, So, I can not I can, but I mean like I want someone who has experience and who would like to offer me, hey, why we don't do this? Hey, I already did this with a concrete company, and work for them. I think this little thing will work with you for this reason. Someone who has experience will bring some stuff which we don't know. I'm good in business, but I'm not good on website, So we want someone with experience. So as I told you, the first base of the website will be pretty simple. We're gonna have like day one, we're gonna have probably I don't know 50, 60 activity for sale on that website. Will be only one main page like an online booking, okay? But after a month or two, we're gonna add some terminals to hotels, and then okay, we're gonna need to add a page, maybe 1 or 2 page, and when you click from this device or this area, I don't know how it's worked, it's going to be or the tablet, which is already over there. On this tablet will be only the main page of the Perry Hotel or the Hilton Hotel, And then after that, if you book if you want to see what all the other trips are, you won't see anymore the hotel. You will link directly to the page which we already built. But the first page where we're gonna have the main activity for the hotel. If you want to reserve I don't know, a cabana beside the pool or whatever it is, it's gonna be on that main page. But after that activity, when you take an activity, bam, you will go back to the main website which we are building. You know what I mean? So something like that. I'm not familiar with the terms, but I think you may understand what I'm trying to say with that. So basically, this is what we're trying to do. So as a budget, I don't know. As I say, for now, I will say like 60 to 90 activity. Mainly will be one. It will be bookingforfun.com, and mainly will be online. Okay, so this is what for the step one. This is what we need to do. So the price needs to be based on that, but you need to consider that we're gonna add some stuff later. So I don't want you
Right.
to take the contract and say later, oh, I didn't know about that with that site. We have to restart from scratch because this cannot accept this or cannot accept that. I want you to know everything where we are going, to not start go at one point and everything you did was not good. So this is why I'm trying to tell you all the details around the project.
And do you already have like the logo, the domain, the business colors? I mean, do you have
Yeah, we
that?
have we have the no. Actually, we have the domain only right now. I have someone working on logo. I can send you a draft of the logo. Actually, it's not the real one because I have a designer work on it right now. A friend of mine, but the one which I built, it's from GPT Chat. So it's a good one. But I mean, basically the color and all that will be in that, and the style will be in that thing. But yeah, we already have that. Yes.
Okay.
And that's coming probably like in 3 weeks. We're gonna have the final logo, uh, but and I think we're gonna need at least that 3 to 4 weeks to build everything, put the content inside, and link everything, make it work. We're gonna need at least like a minimum of 4 weeks, to do all that.
Right.
Pictures, yeah.
Well, I mean, what I can do is based off our conversation, I could put together a kind of ballpark proposal of what it would take for something like this. But again, it's a more complicated build. It's not your typical, information or even e-commerce where you're just selling a few products. It's got more integrations with like the Fair Harbor, the payment gateways. You're gonna have to have some type of like user logins and registrations. Um, so yeah, I mean,
So it's not your specialty, e-commerce, is that right?
no, we do specialize in e-commerce. That's our primary
So
builds.
what is different?
Just that it's gonna have to be integrated with this Fair Harbor. I'm not exactly sure. We'd have to look into exactly how that works. I'm not
Oh,
familiar
this
with
is
it.
this. I will send you send me a text. I will send you. This is like it's nothing.
Just
Actually, I
some
do
code.
my by myself on my website. I'm doing it by myself.
Oh, cool.
Okay, we have dolphinsafariCharter.com. When I want to change, when I click book, I have different type of trip. Okay, go. Are you in front of computer right now?
I am.
So type dolphinsafariCharter.com.
I'm sorry. What was it?
Dolphin
Dolphin.
Safari, like Africa Safari,
Yep.
charters.com.
Okay.
So now you're on the website. See, click on book,
Online booking. Okay.
and down, bang. Now you're on Forever. Not anymore on our website.
Okay.
It's
So it's
and
probably just some
all
code.
those booking. It can be pictures of everything. Parasailing, golf cart. Each time you click on one, bam, you will be directed to another link. And over there, you have nothing to do more. The only thing you need to build it's the link to connect the link from your click point. That's the only job you have to do. It's that simple. Okay, so we need to add a picture instead of the icon, and then and call for a burr or give the list of all the link which we want, which with number and all its work, the math, of that. And then picture number one will be linked to this one. Picture number two will be linked to this one. So ultimately, we'll go through example if Furry Excursion in Key West has a bottom glass boat, and on my site it will say bottom glass boat. When you click book, bam, you will go directly to the Furry Forever website page, okay? And then you will choose 3 o'clock, pay, and boom, Furry receive the booking right away, and Furry have to pay me a commission out of that. And actually, it's Forever will pay me a commission, and Forever will give the difference to the Furry booking. So it's really, really simple. On that side, you have not really much to do. I think it's even easier than e-commerce normally. But after that, we're going to have also some standard of the e-commerce. Like we're going to sell our own and collect our buyer own with their credit card information. So we're going to sell the pack of gum, and then it's 55 cents. People click there and pay here, and boom, they will get the pack of gum. So
Okay. Well,
so this one is more what you're doing, but the first one with Ferber, the integration of that, it's only link. It's really, really, really simple.
okay. Well, we'll have to take a look, I guess, as I put the
Yeah.
proposal together.
Yeah. So send me your email, and we'll send you right away the information about how to integrate Ferber to the website.
Sounds good.
And when you will, I don't know the language of that, but when you sit, you will. Oh, okay, I know what it's really understand for you guys.
Okay, I will. I'll send you an email follow up, and then I can put together a ballpark proposal. What this would take. What's your time frame?
I don't really have time frame, but I want to do as fast as possible. I'm ready to start tomorrow. So.
Okay. Well. Okay. Let me follow up with an email, and then we'll take the next steps from there. We'll just be in communication.
Thank you very much for your call.
Thank you, Eric. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.